Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix no contacts in any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung phone and you are having an issue that your contacts are missing, so let's see how can you fix that. Just open your phone call app, go for contacts, and you can see I have just only one contact here and my all contacts are missing. So let's see how can you fix that issue. Just tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for view my stored location, and here you must have to select on which store you want to see, as I'm going to select all contacts to get all contacts here. So if you want to select or check any specific contact list, just tap on three dots, so view the store location, and then you will get different option, which is phone, sim1, sim2, Google account and Samsung account. Just select that option which you want, as I have selected all contacts just like that. So you must have to select that. So that's how you can easily fix no contacts or missing contacts in your any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.